a gajillion burger recipes out there, but there is only one Patty Melt Muffaletta recipe. It's not even out there. Google it. I'm the only one. It's the best banging burger you'll ever have. My Patty Melt Muffaletta is exactly how it sounds. It's the combination of a patty melt and a muffaletta. Without what would be in a muffaletta. But seriously, it is a kick-butt burger. So the way I came up with my Patty Melt Muffaletta, I just spent a day of making little sliders for some guy friends of mine that were hanging out. I saved a little bit of meat to the side for myself, but all the little mini slider buns were gone. All I had was this flatbread. And I decided instead of making tiny burgers for me, I'd make one big burger. And when I went to cut it, I thought, that kind of looks like a muffaletta. I know it doesn't have what it's supposed to have in it to be a muffaletta, and it's also a patty melt. So you can call it whatever you want. It was the smartest thing I ever did. I'll happily make it today, and you can pay me on Tuesday. You gotta start with the meat. It's ground chuck, 80-20. 20 fat, 80 meat. Nice pinch of salt, nice pinch of pepper, Worcestershire sauce. Right over the top of my burger. A little bit of fresh garlic, just grate it. So I kind of like to do a little bit of a fold with a pitchfork. So I'll just use one hand, the hand that I don't write with, to mix it up. Don't over mix it. You will make a tight burger. All right, time to make the topping. Preheat my pan here, get the butter melted. I'm gonna break down my vegetables. I can almost eat a jalapeno pepper now raw and not crack a sweat. And so I'm stepping my heat game up. Use one of these, serrano pepper. Lob off the top, take the seeds out, chop it down. No stems, no seeds, ooh-wee. I take the seeds out because I don't want the texture of the seeds in my burger. Next thing, onion. About a half a cup or so. Just a little bit of olive oil. So I saute that down, salt, some pepper there. Get some thyme into the situation. I'm gonna get my mushrooms ready to go. What's up, shrooms?
Hi, Sonny.
How's your rich Uncle Truffle doing?
He just bought a house.
Oh, word. That's all done. Now it's time to cook the patty. So you take that ball, 2 sheets of paper, flatten it out. Make sure it's a little bit bigger than the circumference of your bread, which is my flatbread. Let me show you. So I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than this circle, so when it gets smaller, it will fit. So put the burger in the pan. I can smell the Worcestershire sauce already. I like to get a little bit of sear and crisp on one side. It's real juicy. The way you know it's really ready to flip is the edges of it start to curl under. Okay, I'm gonna flip this. Do not try this at home unless you're a flipper, okay? Boom, there it is. That's what I'm talking about here. Can I get some applause for that? My patty is cooked, it's time to layer up this thing. Flatbread, American cheese slices, and I want full coverage. So you play Tetris with your cheese. And then I take bacon bits, patty. And then on top of that, I put the mushrooms and the onions. Look at that, come on, come on. I take smoked mozzarella, rip it up, put it right on top, top that with another piece of flatbread. That all goes into a nice cocoon of aluminum foil. 375 in the oven, a few minutes, everything's gonna melt. All right, let's get this baby out. Take it out, open it up, steam comes out, knife goes in, let's go. Only thing missing, something to wash it down with, something to crunch with it. Let me get this in my mouth. It's like cheesy, meaty, spicy, yum. So good. Crunch. Soda, cleanse the palate, start all over again. I'm in heaven. Oh God, it's so good.